തീർച്ചയായും നമുക്ക് ഈ സമയത്ത്
He was telling that if
ഓർത്തെടുക്കാൻ
anybody lives near
അങ്ങനെ
to
ഈ
Thrissur, I
സമൂഹത്തിൽ
can
മധുരത്തിൽ
visit this shop.
നമുക്ക് ജനപ്രമായ ക്രിയാകർഷത്തിൽ ജൂൺ കുറിച്ചിലെ എല്ലാ ആദരാഞ്ജലികളും
Okay. Once again, just like to speak. This is good shop and very quality items. This is a Lionel Messi shop. Okay. Okay. Can you visit again? Okay. Thank you. And he was telling that just try to visit in his shop. And here many kinds of facilities for discounts you will be given whenever you will come. Okay, so finally we reached in Thrissur and we were charged, and as I told you that from where I live, from there we took auto. So when we sit in the auto, so over there I asked to auto driver that how much rupees you are going to ask to us for reaching that place. So actually at that time he didn't say anything, but after reaching we were told that if you want to go that that park area, so you will have to give 40 rupees. So over there we got it 40 rupees, and right now we are going towards that area. I mean that to cross the road right now, and we will not purchase here. Here also we will get it whatever we want to purchase, but it would be better. There is a very good shop where I used to purchase from there, and right now we will visit that shop. Hi, finally we are about to reach that shop. I mean that that one is very good shop. So usually earlier I used to take, and there is very good within 50 or 100 or 200 rupees we will get it very good clothes. So okay, earlier I used to come with my friend. There were a lot of workers, but right there is only 2 or 3 workers were there and present at this time also. But as I told you that in my place there is my brother who works in my place, so he was working over there. Okay, and you must be getting how he looks like. Okay, so usually that today actually we are going forward in that shop, so we want to he will not take anything because he is going to leave like this work, not only here where he replaced me. Okay, so that purpose he will take 9, 10 or 8 days. He will stay with me until he will get new work in another place. But we got it work for my elder brother. Is for him, and that time talked with that owner. That owner said that okay, so that owner after communicated with that owner, so over there we got to know that he was telling that on 9th January that day, on that day he is going to start. So that's why like until then my elder brother will have to stay with me. Okay, so as I told you that you must be getting, but here is very different here, and but right now as I am speaking you must be getting, and I'm not pretty sure that are you getting or not. Okay, but according to me you are getting, I think. Okay, so there we will not get it very expensive or cheap, but according to according to clothes they will ask money. Okay, so here earlier I had taken watch from that shop, but this time I'm not going to purchase. Okay, I'm not going to buy right now. And this one shop also earlier I had visited. Okay, and I don't know dear, right now I don't know, I'm feeling a little bit shy, but it's okay. And you can see there is a jewelry shop, and lot of people they were wandering, they were purchasing something. Here also I had purchased over there a book. That one is storybook. As I told you that these days I am learning this language, so that purpose I had purchased a book from there. That one is Think Like a Monk. Okay, that one I purchased as well. I read it several times, but that one book is very good, and as according to me I'm telling you. But if you don't believe, try to purchase from market in Flipkart, they're also available. Okay,
So that one book is very nice, and but one thing I would like to tell you that there are very hard vocabularies they have used it. Okay, so that's the reason I stopped reading. But not only I stopped, but I am trying to read another book. I have another book I have purchased. So that one book I am reading these days. Okay, so it is you can say street show. We will get it within 100 rupees, 150 like that only. Yeah. So what happened here while coming time, that time, police were coming from ahead side. So okay, I was making vlog. So little bit, because first time I met with police. So they were keep asking me that, could you please tell us why you are making videos? And like that, I told to them that yes, I am making vlog. I am a YouTuber, and as well they asked me my YouTube channel, and I gave them as well. They searched it. After watching my videos, after that they understood that yes, really I am a YouTuber, like that. Wait. Vlogging are making. And right now we are going to visit here. Earlier, as I told you while coming time, that earlier I used to take a lot of clothes from this shop, and this one shop very good. And we were given a lot of discounts also available. And there is something, and I don't know, I'm not getting but program is going on. You must
ഒരിക്കലും അദ്ദേഹത്തെ
be not getting
തൊഴിലാളി വർഗ പ്രസ്ഥാനത്തിന്റെ നേതാവാകുന്നതിന് ഒരു
due to their native language. They are speaking in Malayalam.
ഇവിടെ നേരത്തെ പലരും സൂചിപ്പിച്ചതുപോലെ
Even I am also
ആ ഡിപ്പാർട്ട്മെന്റിനെ സംബന്ധിച്ച് നമ്മുടെ ഇടയിൽ പൊതുവെയുള്ള
right now we are going to visit this shop.
ഇതിൽ നിന്നെല്ലാം
Okay.
സംഘടനാ രംഗത്ത് സർക്കാർ
Yeah, actually right now we are confused that which kind of clothes we will take right now, but we are looking forward to purchase for working clothes as well, working dress. But according to me, I don't know what they have written here. I don't know. 300. Okay, here 300 per piece. 300 per piece. Okay, like that. Sir, could you please tell me what is this? What is this? I didn't get properly. हम नहीं समझे ये Okay, it means that I would like to make you let me explain that if you want to take one t-shirt, so you will be charged 300 rupees. If you are going to take two t-shirts, so you will have to pay 500. It means that if I take one, so it means that I will have to spend money. If I take two, it means 500 I will have to pay. Yeah, but here actually I was confused that here I got after asking the shopkeeper. He was told that just I will go outside. Okay, so here you are going to take one shirt, so you will be charged 100 rupees. So I wanted to choose it, but my brother told me that let me chance to choose it, the shirt.
സാധാരണക്കാരന് വേണ്ടി ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു എന്നുള്ളത് തന്നെയാണ് നമുക്ക് ഇവിടെ
I don't
മനസ്സിലാക്കാൻ
know, like whenever with earlier also I was a bit confused while taking time while purchasing time. Sometime I was choosing another one and my friend was choosing another one. So that's why right now unfortunately I am not going to choose any t-shirt and just try to choose according to you. I will try to take it.
ഞങ്ങളെ ആ സമ്മേളനം വിജയിപ്പിക്കുന്നതെല്ലാം
Thank you for
കൂടുതൽ വ്യാപകമായിട്ട് വരുന്ന കാഴ്ചയാണ് നമുക്ക് കാണാൻ
and
കഴിയുന്നത്.
visiting our shop.
എല്ലാ ദിവസവും ഇതുമായി ബന്ധപ്പെട്ട പ്രവർത്തനങ്ങൾക്ക് ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് നൽകിയ ഉപദേശങ്ങൾ
So come here.
Yeah.
തീർച്ചയായും ഞങ്ങൾക്കൂടെ ഈ സമയത്ത്
He
ഓർത്തെടുക്കാൻ
was telling that
കഴിയുകയാണ്.
if anybody lives near
അങ്ങനെ
to
ഈ
Thrissur,
സമൂഹത്തിനും
kindly
അതുപോലെ തന്നെ
visit this shop.
നമുക്ക് ജനങ്ങൾക്കുണ്ടായ തീരെ നഷ്ടത്തിൽ ജൂൺ കൗൺസിലിന്റെ
LM10
എല്ലാ
shop.
ആദരാഞ്ജലികളും
LM10.
അർപ്പിച്ചുകൊണ്ട്
Lionel Messi shop.
തീർച്ചയായും നമസ്കാരം.
Okay.
Once again, just try to speak here.
This is good shop and very quality items.
അടുത്തതായി കേരള കോൺഗ്രസ്
It is a Lionel Messi shop. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Visit again.
Okay, thank you. And he was telling that just try to visit in his shop, and here many kinds of facilities for discounts you will be given whenever you will come. Recently I have started. Right now he is asking about my YouTube channel, how many subscribers I have. So 1.2.
Okay. Congratulations.
Yeah. So now I hope that next time I will be given much more money. And my YouTube channel name is Ing Shibu. Okay. ENGSSI. Okay, kindly subscribe. Okay, so right now we have purchased this one, and 2 pants we purchased, and we have 4 t-shirts. Okay, so right now that how much they will charge according to as I showed you over the net, if you wanna take one shirt, so you will be asked 100 rupees. This means that 400 and the other 150.